Hello friends, my name is Ramdev Oledra and my topic is array-based string. Array-based string. There are strings which use an array as a source or destination of data. Strings are available for using byte array as well as for character array. Byte array output string. The byte array output string class directly inherits from the output string class. It is an unbounded buffer for maintaining bytes in an array. The buffer which is maintained in an array will be replaced by bigger size array if it is become fake. Byte array input string. The byte array input string directly inherits from the input string class. It encapsulates a byte array as uses it as a source of byte data which can be read using the read method of input string. Character array writer. The character array writer class directly inherits from the writer class. Similar to the byte array output string, the character array writer is an unbound buffer for characters. Here the buffer is maintained in an array of characters. It is also grow if necessary. Character array reader. The character array reader directly inherits from the reader. It encapsulates a character array and uses it as a source of character data which can be read using the read method of reader. Program. To packet import. First, import.javautil.array. Second, import.java.util.string.stream. One class is create. Class name is public class test. Then declare a main method. Public static void main argument string array. Create an array. Then assign array values to string and print the for each loop to array values, and output is A, B, C, D and E. Thank you friends.